I think the biggest thing about working at a company like Helix is innovation is really encouraged, and that thinking outside of the box. It's a platform by which we can really try to leave the world a better place.
I really love the diverse group of people we have, whether we're talking about work or we're talking about the game on Saturday night. I like working with the group of people that have a very diverse background.
People are like, oh, I don't like paying the bills. It's like, I love it. I love being able to do this because that means we're all successful. The more that our salespeople are successful, the more that our production people are successful, then the more all of us are. And that's kind of fun, and success is good.
What I get to do here that I was never really able to do before is to be creative, and they allow me to come up with ideas for the company, and they support them wholeheartedly, and it's really nice because it's an environment where I can actually make use of my creativity, whereas previously I was just stuck into a box. I didn't get to do what I wanted to do.
It's just so rewarding to be able to see a problem, identify the problem, and be able to fix it with not having to have 20 meetings in order to accomplish that goal.
Being able to do something that you're passionate about makes just your life in general more enjoyable, but also I think helps to build sort of a positive culture within the company, and I think you'll find a lot of the other people that are here also feel strongly about some of the things we're trying to accomplish.